Hello, my name is Zachary Sinclair. I'm going to talk about my final portfolio for this class Web Development 330. My self-evaluation score, I gave myself in between a 3 and a 4 just because I felt like I was really eager to learn. I tried really hard in this class, and also I didn't stop when I didn't know the answer, and so I did a lot of research, and so I learned a bunch. But that being said, I feel like there's still a ton to learn. That's why I didn't give myself all fours. But I will show you what I did. Here's our Trello board. Although we did lose a member pretty early on in this class, Rebecca and I did work quite a bit together. I know that she may have had some family issues and emergencies that came up, and so near the end of the semester it did get kind of tricky, but I hope she's doing well. But these are all the boards that I did. Everything is labeled in my name on this. And these were the ones that I was still working on. Here's our Sleep Outside project. I was able to add a few things. If you click on here, I added this little backpack that takes you to the cart. If you add something to your cart, and just made a little bit of these things dynamic so they're able to show up, right? And then as well this is what I did for my personal project. I did an adventure planner for a national park, and I'll go ahead and show you. If you search by state, obviously I had to add in California, that's where I'm from, but I added a couple different states here. So if you click that and then click search, I'll show you all these parks that are in California, as well as if you do any state, right? You can go ahead and click here on the details. And so this is all with the National Park API, but this is also with the weather API, and so it shows you the current weather, so you can actually plan a trip and you can go exactly to their official site, which is pretty neat. So this is their national park website. If you go ahead and click plan trip, you can set up a trip. And so I'll say I'm going here. It shows you the park code. Let's say I want to go there in a few months. I'll say just the first week of Jan. Couple day trip. There's two of us, my wife and I. Not planned where we're gonna go yet, so tester planned trip. Go ahead and click save trip, and it saves right there. It shows you which date I have, and then if I have any accommodations, as you can say, you can go right here and you can view the park and go back that way. If you go on Discover, it brings you back to the home page. Let's say I want to search just for Zion's popular park. Go ahead and search, and it'll bring up Zion's park. All the ones that related to Zion, that's why they show up right there. Plan your trip goes back to here, and then as well as if you click on My Trips, these are all the trips. You can edit it, you can delete it. So the one I just added was, I'll just go ahead and delete that one, and it's gone. Go back down here to plan your trip. Now there's only two, so it leaves you some dynamic stuff, so it's pretty neat. If you want to go to Alaska Public Lands, I can go here. I can plan my trip here. Populates here. We'll just say we want to go there in September. Couple days. We'll say I'm going a little bit more people. We're going to stay in a hotel. And this will be fun. Go ahead and save trip. Shows you that I saved it. And obviously it shows right here. So I can go right here in my trips. And it's there as well. And that is it. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed, and hope you take a trip to the national park.